Fiúchaíomh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn the words for husband and wife. Wife in Irish is Ben Chéile. Ben Chéile. Repeat after me. Ben Chéile. The word for husband is Fear Chéile. Fear Chéile. As you can see, the words aren't very different from each other when you break them down. Ben means woman and Fear means men. Chéile can have a couple of meanings, including a companion or a spouse. You may also hear someone's husband or wife being referred to as just their Ben or Fear, without including Chéile. Did you know that you can get a 21-day free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic? That's right, just go to www.bitesize.irish and sign up today.